If you're only getting mortgage information that comes from the Bank of Canada, mainstream media, or government updates, you're not getting the full picture. See, they don't care about your personal outcome. They care about their numbers. It's 2025. In fact, it's November 2025, and we still have low housing supply, high prices, and families struggling to move forward. So if you're feeling uncertain, you're not wrong to be. You can't rely on them anymore. You've got to look out for yourself. And honestly, that's what I do. I help people like you find clarity and strategies when everything feels stacked against you. So if this is you, send me a message if you want real answers and not headlines. Follow for honest and straight talk about mortgages.